Nestled within the tranquil expanses of the Philippine countryside, these small house designs at the rice fields embody a harmonious fusion of traditional Filipino architecture and modern functionality. Each dwelling exudes a distinct charm and practicality, seamlessly blending into the rustic beauty of its surroundings. These homes draw inspiration from the iconic Bahay Kubo, featuring elevated bamboo structures with thatched roofs that promote natural ventilation and offer panoramic views of the sprawling rice paddies. Traditional materials like bamboo, nipa leaves, and reclaimed wood are artfully combined with contemporary design elements to create a seamless blend of old-world charm and modern comfort. Compact yet efficient cottages provide cozy retreats for solo travelers or intimate getaways, while eco-friendly bamboo bungalows offer sustainable living amidst the serene landscape. Rustic cabins constructed with reclaimed wood and natural stone exude a timeless appeal, providing a snug haven for relaxation and contemplation. Elevated eco-homes minimize their environmental impact by resting above the ground, with large windows and open decks inviting the cool breeze and soothing sounds of nature. Floating villas perch delicately above tranquil waters, offering a unique experience of living in harmony with the surrounding environment. Minimalist retreats prioritize clean lines and uncluttered spaces, providing a serene environment for relaxation. Tropical breezeways capture cooling winds, while hillside hideaways offer stunning views and terraced gardens that blend seamlessly with the natural landscape. Surrounded by lush cottage gardens bursting with colorful flora, each dwelling offers a tranquil oasis for farm-to-table dining al fresco. Artist studios inspire creativity with ample natural light and panoramic views, while wellness retreats focus on holistic rejuvenation amidst nature. Off-grid cabins embrace sustainable living with renewable energy sources and rainwater harvesting systems. Family farmhouses provide spacious interiors and communal living areas for cherished gatherings, while traditional nipa houses showcase intricate bamboo craftsmanship and locally crafted furnishings. Open-air pavilions serve as communal spaces for gatherings and celebrations, featuring expansive decks and soaring ceilings that frame breathtaking views of the surrounding rice fields. Each of these small house designs invites residents and guests to immerse themselves in the timeless beauty and tranquility of the Philippine countryside.